Are you ready to transform a simple piece of wood into a personal masterpiece? Introducing the Stryi 10-piece palm wood carving kit. The essential set for precision, comfort, and control. Crafted with the highest quality tempered steel, these palm tools provides clean cuts and they keep sharp cutting edges for durable carving. Also, they fit perfectly in your hand, making intricate work feel intuitive. See how easily you can create stunning relief patterns. Go beyond the flat surface. Add personalized detail to your handmade items. Decorate bowls with unique textures, or transform a simple spoon handle into an heirloom. Your functional art is waiting. The set includes everything you need: a mix of straight and sloping gouges, V-tools, and bent chisels. This complete collection gives you the versatility to create beautiful home decor, miniatures, and more. This isn't just a kit, it's an investment in your craft. Perfectly organized in a beautiful storage box, it keeps your tools sharp, protected, and ready. It's the ideal choice for any passionate carver, or a perfect, impressive gift. Stop waiting. Start creating. My 10-piece palm tool kit. Click the link below to get yours now.